Alright, I'm going to assemble this sign I designed. I'll post a couple pictures of the 3D model. This is the result of trying to fine-tune upgrades on my 3D printer. I added another Z-axis drive and a whole bunch of stuff I probably didn't need to do, but I did it, and then nothing worked, and I quit working with it for a while, and then I decided that I would do a sign for my son. I'll enter a picture for that. And that sign helped me to sort of figure out what was wrong with the printer. And then I designed this sign, and it helped me to figure out the tuning of everything, get everything tuned up. I'll say, if you're going to do that, the most important things are to make sure that everything on the structure is tight, that all your wheels are snug, but everything moves freely, and that you do the paper alignment. I'll post a link to the video that I used. It was really helpful. Guy did an awesome job on explaining how to set it all up. And yeah, so now we're going to put this together. I got all the pieces here, the housing, you know, some letter stuff, the actual letters, the back, and this insert here, and this plexiglass that will be like, you know, the main lens for this guy. I'm going to go through and clean all these up. I need to get rid of all this skirt from the print and fine tune it maybe so it fits in here nicely, and then yeah, start the assembly process then. Okay, before I get too far, I need to trim this up. Now we're going to trim this out here. So what you do here is you trim right at the end of the line there. Exactly here. So basically you just leave all the black. I'm going to go trim that out. Alright, so I got my plexi cut out. Fits in here fairly tight, which is just how I want it. Just put this together. This fit in there pretty good already. So good. Stop that from popping out. Alright, I'm going to do these. And, what's this for? Oh, that's for the tea. I'm going to work all these individually, and then I'll bring it back after I get them all popped in there. I weren't having to look at all my garbage up there the whole time. I'm going to have to fix that on the edit. Anyway, saved you guys the D. Basically, you want to cut this thing all the way around the skirt that we printed on there. We just want to remove it from the bottom of it though. It's right in. Nice and easy. that stays like that. And we can work on other things. Move this out of the way. Back. So this was a happy accident. I did the silver so it's reflective, and then I was running out of silver, so I threw some black on there. That worked out pretty good. So this is a little cover that goes over the hanger spot. That's what we need. Okay, so this stuff it's pretty good for plastic and your fingers and everything else. Just need a little dab. That should be more than plenty. I don't know why I could just put that on there like 3 times, and then as soon as I put the glue on there, it will not go in the hole. Okay, so now we'll let that cure. Nice. Alright, so now comes the insert that holds all this in here, and here's the bottom. There's the bottom. There's the bottom. It's got this little, that goes right here. It goes right there. Just like that. Okay, on the fly design change here. What I'm going to do is drill a series of holes around here. Okay. Running these on. Interesting. Alright. I think I'm going to pull this out, pop everything apart, and sand down the edge of this so it's not so bulby, whatever you want to call that. Seems okay here, but I think I want to make sure that's going to go in there. Alright, I'll bring you back. That worked great. I really like that. We'll do that from here on out. So it just gives you a nice place to put the adhesive. Okay, we're gonna let that cure for a minute. And then we will come back to the lights in. So this thing's in there now. Take some rubbing alcohol here, clean up, and I'm going to apply the light strip. This is the light I got. It's the same one on the use the same one on the Sounders light. Alright, the alcohol should have evaporated. Got to do it like that. Can't get there. That ended almost perfect. Alright, let's push this all the way around. Hey, works good. Sweet, now I can put the back on. Somebody can't count. So that was good. I just screwed the whole back on and did a big reveal and didn't record any of it, but here's the completed sign. It looks really good. I did get some stuff in it, but I mean, I'm not a professional sign maker by any means. Turned out pretty awesome.